Today's lesson is lesson 125, part 1, determining unit cost and division facts divided by 6, by 8, and by 9. So if two erasers cost 10 cents, how could I find the cost of one eraser? Well, I can do that by doing 10 cents divided by the two erasers. And 10 divided by 2 is 5 cents. So 5 cents is what we call the unit cost, which is the price of one item. So if I wanted to find the cost of 7 erasers, I can find that by multiplying 7 times 5 cents. So 7 times 5 is 35 cents. So the cost of 7 erasers is going to be 35 cents. Hey, well, if 2 pencils cost 12 cents, what is the cost of 5 pencils? So I can use a table to help us solve this problem. So I know that 2 pencils cost 12 cents. So I first have to find the cost of 1 pencil, and I do that by taking the 12 cents and dividing it by 2. Well, 12 cents divided by 2 is equal to 6 cents. So I know that 1 pencil equals 6 cents, and 2 pencils are 12 cents. Remember, the 6 cents is my unit cost because it's how much a single item is. Now I want to figure out how many 5 pencils cost. So I would do that by multiplying 5 times the unit cost, or 6 cents. Or I can fill in the table. So 5 times 6 cents equals 30 cents. Okay. So if I wanted to figure out how many 3 pencils cost, I would do 3 times 3 cents. 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 cents would be 3 pencils would cost 9 cents. Oh, sorry, I have to do 6. Did the wrong number. 3 times 6 cents. There we go. So 3 times 6 cents is 18 cents. Okay, if I want to do 4, I would do 4 times 6 cents, which equals 24 cents. To get 6, I would do 6 times 6, which is 36 cents. 7, I would do 7 times 6, which is 42 cents. Okay. 48 cents. And just fill the rest of the chart. 54 cents. And finally, 60 cents. Okay, on this one, if 5 oranges cost 40 cents, what is the cost of 3 oranges? Well, so I know 5 cost 40 cents. To figure out how much a single orange costs, I'm going to take the 40 cents and divide it by 5. And 40 divided by 5 is 8. So the unit cost will be 8 cents. Okay? So now I can find the cost of the other items. So I want to find out 3 oranges. And to do that, I would take the 8 cents and times it by the 3 oranges. And 8 times 3 equals 24 cents. Okay. I can do the same thing with 2. 8 times 2 is 16 cents. With 4, 8 times 4 is 32 cents, etc. Now we're going to work with some fact cards. On the first fact card, we have a number missing. It's 68 and 6. So I'm thinking 6 times something equals 68. Well, on my multiplication chart, I know that 6 times... Oops, that's supposed to be a 48. Wrote that wrong. 48. There we go. I knew something was wrong. All right, so we know 48. 6 times something equals 48. So I know that 6 times 8 equals 48. So 8 is my missing factor. I can make 2 multiplication facts with these numbers. I can do 6 times 8 equals 48, and I can do 8 times 6 equals 48. I can also make 2 division fact families. So the division problems I would write, I would take the top number divided by one of the sides equals the other side. So it'd be 48 divided by 8 equals 6, or 48 divided by 6 equals 8. And you can write it, this is one way to write a division problem, is with this bar here. Okay, what about the number 63? So the missing factor, 9 times something is 63. Well, I know that 9 times 7 is 63. So my multiplication facts are 9 times 7 is 63, or 7 times 9 is 63. There are also two division fact families, and we can write them this way. 63 divided by 7 equals 9, or 63 divided by 9 equals 7. Okay, let's do the last one. 8 times something equals 72. Well, I know that 8 times 9 equals 72. So my fact families are 8 times 9 is 72, or 9 times 8 is 72. And my division fact families this is the third way to write the division. We can do 72 divided by 8 equals 9, or 72 divided by 9 equals 8. Okay, so remember this as you start practicing your fact families for division. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.